Turn it. Ah, shit. Almost had that bit. Almost. But no, hey. But hey, it's another day at the lot, man. At the strip, you dig? Hey, it's just some good time to be alive, for real. Just like, you know, just thankful for everything that I got. Just thankful for just everything I've been through in life to make me the person I am today. And just one thing I'm gonna just do is just keep fighting, you dig? I'm gonna keep fighting. We're gonna keep swinging, you dig? No stop, gang, you hear me? I had to swear, Bobby, then. If we got to swerve, bang back, bang drop back, Bobby, we're gonna have to. Peace. Yo, it's been a long time coming with these it's been a long time coming with this wheelies and these wheelie progressions. My biggest advice to anybody who's just starting out watching the channel is just to take your time, for real. Because to be honest, every time I rushed into something like a new trick or trying to go to balance point when I wasn't ready for it, I always messed up. When I come to the lot in the strip with a clear mind and I keep an open mind, like, look, the people who's been out here, they killing it, they've been practicing, they've been out here. Don't compare yourself to nobody else's progression. You don't know how long somebody else practices, okay? Don't compare yourself to nobody that you see. Just do you, run your own race. You know what I mean? But I can say, just me, I'm finally just getting the hang of learning my rear brake. Like, I feel more confident. I grew more confidence in myself, like, finally. It takes some time, though. Practicing wheelies on the street, it put a different like approach to my wheelies here on the lot now. I like that I transitioned and started practicing out on the street a little bit, because it really helped me out just wheeling at a faster pace, because all my progression was at the lot. So I hated wheeling like faster than normal. But like when I clutch up on the street, I'm already going at a faster pace. That was second gear. I really don't wheelie in second gear like that no more. I gotta practice a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff, but that's why I'm at the lot working. That's exactly why I'm working, so I can practice. You know what I mean? I'm practicing on different things. And yeah, it's all coming together. What you want, Vada? I'm gonna burn her up real quick. Yup. Woo! Let her tell it, it's the bike. it the bike? You want this bike? Cause I'm still gonna do the same on that bike. I'm getting a little better at my turns, but every time I wheelie now, I always got like combos in my head now. Damn, hard ass hit up. I might be tired from trying to do them combos and shit. Let me just do one for good luck. Alright, there y'all go, man. Another video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate all the support, for real. More videos on the way. It's really getting cold out here. I ain't gonna be dropping as many videos, but I'm gonna keep dropping them. Thanks for the support. I'm gonna leave the back row Wheelie playlist right here. Make sure you check out VV page. Make sure you check out the Suzuki Sales page. I'll see y'all in the next video.